This enomol gravel vacuum water changer uses household water pressure to siphon and refill, making large aquarium maintenance much faster and far less labor-intensive than manual bucket hauling. The long hose and extended intake tube reach comfortably across medium and large tanks, so you can perform deep water changes without getting your hands soaked or moving heavy furniture. Its integrated gravel cleaner with a protective screen lets you stir the substrate and pull out trapped waste while keeping fish and decorative stones safely in place. The system is designed to run quietly without splashing, which keeps both you and your fish calm during cleaning sessions. Multiple included faucet adapters make it compatible with a wide range of standard taps, so setup is straightforward in most homes without extra hardware trips. The latest upgraded version feels sturdier and more refined than older styles of water changers, and the manufacturer backs it with responsive support if anything is not working as expected.